Hi, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and we are going to draw a simple strawberry. First step is to draw the top of the strawberry. You draw a big curve around. Then you're going to draw another big bubble. And then kind of the same size as the top here. And then we're going to try to do the same thing here. So go around and around and around and go back in. There. You should have 3 bubbles. Next, we're going to start here and go around and down. Same thing for the other side. Go around and down. We're going to draw some eyes, some cute eyes. 1, 2. For the eyes, I like to draw 2 circles and then fill it in. There we go. Next, we're going to draw little kind of oval shapes in random places, and these will be the little seeds that are in strawberries. You put as many or as little as you want. It's up to you. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a line and a curve to go up. We're going to draw a tongue in the middle. And then we are going to color that middle part in. Once you've colored that middle part in, it's time to put some red and green coloring. Here we go, we have a cute strawberry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. There's new videos each week, and I will see you next time. Bye!